In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your stickers that come inside your health and fitness planner. These are the stickers that come with your planner. So all you have to do is make sure that this top bar is blue. We're going to click on the lasso tool, make sure images is turned on, and all we have to do is make the little circle around it, tap it, and then we can move it around. Each of these images are pre-cropped for Goodnotes 5 only. That means that it will only show up here on Goodnotes 5 and is already pre-cropped, so you don't have to crop it yourself. So let's say that I want to use this one for, let's copy it, for my measurements tracker. I'm gonna go all the way up to my measurements tracker, and I am gonna press down in the middle of where I want this to be, and that's it. Another great way we can use our stickers is to decorate our time block. So let's say that you have an important appointment. We copy it and we go to your, and the same thing, we resize it and then let go of it. If you want to move it around, you can. You just have to use your lasso tool, and that's it.